This is my first tutorial in NX 9, and this NX software is designed or developed by Siemens PLM, and this is the welcome page of NX, and we'll get a lot of information from welcome page. Here is the application, display mode, ribbon bars, and lot of description here, so we can read this and we will get the information about NX. Okay, and this one is our starting page. Just start with our NX software. We can start from new, from here. We can draw the design into this NX software. There is lot of environments in NX 9 also. So this one is the page that we can start from here, and there is a lot of options here. And we can create the sketches and 3D modeling in model, and assembly is also present here. Sheet metal is also here. We can design everything from this model, assembly, sheet metal, and drawing. We'll see one by one. This drawing, we can create the sketches, 2D sketches from part environment. There is a lot of page sizes here. You can select also the A0 size, that the size is given here. Description 844, 841 into 1189. Everything we can get from here. A1, A2, A3, A2, A4. Okay, just start our sketcher environment from the model. We can draw the sketches from model. Just we can start from this one model, and there is a units also present here. We can select from unit from here, millimeter and inches. We can select anyone. Okay, and here we give the name of that model. Whatever we have the name, we can put here the name. If suppose I give the name as a bracket, okay, and this one is a folder where is the directory we can save this model. We can give the directory now onto the desktop. Okay, we can create anything, any folder here, and give the name anything. We can give design, and this one is the directory, means this one is the path for the NX where we create the models. Okay, just click on the OK button. We'll get the sketcher environment or modeling environment from here. Okay, this one is a little bit slow. Just see here, our model name is a bracket, and we saved this into the design. Okay, currently there is empty. Okay, if we save this model, we will get If we save this model, we'll get the bracket as a rename to our model. And this one is the starting page of Unigraphics software. There we can see the model, 3D model sketches into this screen. Okay, here is the bracket is saved. We can work here as a bracket, and this is the environment, starting environment, and there is a lot of options from here. I just explain you the NX tutorial starting page, and again the command page. This one is the command page total. So we are a lot of options here. Home, we can draw the 3D and 3D model from these commands. We also have the assembly constraint and move component and lot of things here. You can add the new model from add or create new. We have also the 3D curves where we can draw into the model. We have also the surfacing environment is also here. This one is the analysis, view, render. There is a lot of toolbars from here. We can select the lot of commands from this one. So we have also the menu bar here, a lot of commands from here also, lot of settings also from here we can get. Just go for one by one now. This is the assembly navigator where your part is saved and the RAM is coming here. The modeling is one by one assembly model is coming from here. Okay, this one is a constraint navigator where we get the lot of constraint and save to this position. And again we have the part navigator from here. We can draw the sketches to this plane system. In the history is creating the history model. Okay, we also have the reuse library here. So there is a lot of standard parts. We can download it from reuse library, or it is inbuilt option. We can download it. You can see these models in metric also, standard parts also, whatever stud, nut, bolt, we can download directly. We have a lot of things here. This is the standard library, we can use it. Next one is ESD 3D tools, and here is one option, checkmate. This option is used for our model is we are created a model, that one is correct or not. We'll get the information from checkmate where the model is correct or not. The sequence of the model is correct or not. Siemens developed this checkmate. At the end of the stage, the checkmate is used. There is a lot of things here, but we are using only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as well. Okay, this one is total history of NX. Okay, this one is the plane system that we can draw the drawings and sketches from this planar system. I just show you the mouse setting also. Right now, if we click the middle mouse scroll, then it will rotate like this. If you click and drag the mouse, it will rotate like this. Okay, we can rotate it. And for another option is zoom in, zoom out. We can scroll the mouse directly. If I create one object here, to show you clearly. I will explain everything in this environment. Just I show you the mouse setting. Don't go through it right now. I will explain everything to you. Okay, this one is my model right now, a 3D model. I just explain you the rotate and zoom in, zoom out. Just click the middle mouse, you will get the rotate, and drag the mouse. Also you can scroll the mouse button, middle button, that one is zoom in and zoom out option. Also we can click right click on the desktop, and here is one option, rotate. We can rotate from here also, and click the left mouse key to rotate. Again cancel the rotate, then we can select the again rotate option, then it will goes. Okay, this one is my first video, and like my video and subscribe my channel. I will explain in next video of sketches and Sketcher environment. Thank you.